Here we have a Volkswagen Golf. It's a Mark 7 facelift, 1.6 litre, TDI GT, 115 PS. The car's superb and it has a great spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, ultrasonic, optical and audible front and rear parking sensors, front assistant collision mitigation, an automatic post-collision mitigation, and that's to go along with these 17-inch Dijon alloy wheels. The boot's a decent size and it's very spacious as well. The interior has an 8-inch colour touchscreen, a multi-device interface and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.